All right, so last week we saw the Christmas lights. This week we're trying the Christmas food and we're touring the Christmas market. Yeah, today I'm going to eat Ričet. It's a traditional Slovenian dish. It's like a soup with sausage and rice, I believe, and some vegetables. So anyways, it'll be good. Did you start it? Okay, so I am trying a traditional Slovenian dish. It's called Ričet. It's like a sausage soup, and it has, what is in here? Carrots, onions, looks like peppers. Is this rice? It has something similar to rice. It's like you can clearly see that it's almost like a oat rice thing. Inside there's barley, which is like the base. It's like the rice-ish stuff. There is celery, onions, leeks, carrots. Then we have the sausage. It's what kind of sausage is it? It's a Slovenian sausage. Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks. See ya. There's also garlic inside, but the base, there's also potatoes as well, but the base is like this, is this barley, which is like, it's very hearty, warm. This thing is amazing on my hands because it's like 0 degrees right now and I'm freezing. So anyways, it's the perfect dish for this afternoon, early afternoon. For lunch, it's perfect. For dinner, it would be nice as well. But yeah, first bite. Sausage is good, but it tastes like so the juice or the soup-ish stuff, it kind of tastes like, to me it tastes like gravy a little bit. It has like a gravy taste, but this is the kind of food that I just adore. So I could eat this every day for the rest of my life probably, and I'd be happy. But yeah, it's good. You should try it if you come. That's amazing. This is an amazing shot. We just got some ardeche kukonovino. So we're gonna try this. And then we got some piškoti cookies. They're like little cookies. You can see. So we'll try these first. And then I'll chase it with some kukonovino. Okay. It's like it's like soft cookie. I think it has macadamia nuts in it, I think, and then cranberries. But yeah, they're really good and soft, and then they're bite-sized. So like, a bite-sized cookie is amazing. I mean, everyone knows it. So anyways, those are good. And then ardeche kukonovino. Yeah, it's good. My, not last video, but 2 videos ago, I was in Kranjska Gora in the northwestern region of Slovenia, and I tried kukonovino for the first time. This one's a little different, but they're both good to me. I think this one's a bit sweeter than that one was. Yeah, this one's great. Here at the Ljubljana Christmas Market, you'll find a lot of kukonovino, vroča, čokolada. Mainly those 2 things, and then in the center you'll see more of Balkan food, so like cevapići, and plaskoviska and things like this. This morning, or earlier today, I should say, I had the Ričet, and it was very good. And it's such a, obviously it's Christmas time, so it's a little cooler out. It's probably 0 degrees Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit now. Around that, maybe give or take a couple degrees. But yeah, so like the warm drinks and the warm foods are a must. Along the river, you'll see a lot of street vendors selling little knickknacks, maybe some ceramic work, woodwork, or even things unique to Ljubljana, like I don't know, like sports teams apparel, like Olympia, or you'll see a lot of dragon merch representing the flag of the city, how do I say it, the mascot of the city. But yeah, it's really nice. I think if you come here, you're gonna have a very chill time. During the day especially, it's pretty quiet. I wouldn't say it's too busy, which is very nice actually. At night it gets a lot busier when the lights are on and all that. And then obviously last week I showed you a video of the lights and what that experience is like. So the city is very nice, and you should come for Christmas. Cheers. Okay, I just got a hot chocolate. I got it's called Temna Yafa Pomerancha. So it's like a dark chocolate with whipped cream. It has some nuts in here as well. But the hot chocolate here in Europe is much more solid, so you have to eat it with a spoon versus where we're from, obviously, or in the US. It's more watery, like you would drink a coffee, you would drink a hot chocolate. So anyways, yeah, it's really good. It's wonderful. As you can see, it's like thick, yeah, it's like melted chocolate, literally. Okay, so I just got this waffle stick thing, hazelnuts, chocolate, and powdered sugar. There's a whole video I'll show you of how she made it, but anyways, we're gonna try it. Tastes like a waffle. All right, I'm trying Jablonny Zvitek apple strudel. So here it is, bam. Yeah, so here we go. I'm right out in front of the main square, Prešeren square. We'll see if it compares to the German strudel. It's very good. Growing up, we had these toaster strudels, which you put in a toaster or the microwave. It's not comparable, but it is at the same time. This is much better. It was €4. I have it in the video. It's at Srečno Petenvicet. Srečno Petenvicet. But yeah, it's pretty good. Check it out. Okay, I'm trying Miška. Miška, is that right? I'm trying Miška. I got the marmalade flavor. I got a picture, you can see it a little better. But they're like basically these donut hole powdered sugar things. I talked about it in my last video, but here they are. And I'm gonna try one. It's a big bite. I already know it's gonna be a huge bite. Ričet. It's like, hold on the bus. What else should I say? What else should I say? Here in the Ljubljana, here at the Ljubljana Christmas Market, you're gonna find pet. What is it? Pet 25.